Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to get only numbers from a string or remove spaces from a string or only get lower and upper cases from a string using regular expressions in Python. So let's start the tutorial.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python Alpha tutorials is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, in this folder, I am adding one new file called regex space remove space numbers. I want to display numbers uppercase lowercase .py. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is using regex yes, get only numbers, remove spaces, get only lower or uppercase letters or characters from a string. Now first, when we are implementing regular expressions, we need to import RE module. RE module is for regular expression. Now I am defining one string is equals to my name is my name. I am adding some numbers also is Charan. And here I am adding 45 some numbers. Now my aim is print the original string /n and comma. I want to display the original string on the first output. Then I am adding one new line. Below the line I want to implement the regular expressions. First I want to display get only numbers from this string. So number only is equals to re dot sub method. I am adding r for raw string. Between double quotes I am adding. Now between single quotes I am adding I want to display only numbers. So A to Z lowercase and A to Z uppercase. I don't want to display A to Z and uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Give some empty strings. Then the third parameter is the original string value comes from this variable str1. Then print only numbers is equals to num only. This will print only the numbers from this string. Now my second aim is I want to remove the white spaces from this string. So remove white spaces. So instead of writing the same thing, remove spaces. In the expression I am adding /s for spaces. That's it. The rest of the same here. I am changing this remove spaces. And this is the output for this remove spaces. Now I want to display only the capital upper letters and lower letters. So get only upper and lower letters L U char is equals to the method is sub method. Again I am adding r for raw string between double quotes. I am adding /d and backward slash s, which will remove the space also. First, I don't want to remove space. First, we'll get only the upper and lowercase letters. Again, empty string. Now I'm getting the original string from str1. Then print lower and upper case from this LUCHAR. Now I want to display only lowercase letters. For that, get only lowercase letters from the string. Lcase is equals to re dot submethod or between single quotes. Now here I am adding multiple conditions, expressions here. So first, I don't want to display A to Z capital letters, backward slash D for numbers, decimals. If you want, you can add space also, but here I am not giving space. Empty strings, comma. Again, the third parameter is the original string value we are getting from this str1 variable. That's it. Print only lowercase, comma, Lcase. Now, instead of writing the same thing, just for the time saving, I have pasted that lower string values. Just I am changing to wherever necessary. Instead of lower, I am adding upper cases. This is U case, and here I am adding, instead of capitals, I am adding smalls, A to Z. Only uppercase. This uppercase output we are getting from U case. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, quick terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application. From this string, original string, I want to get only numbers. First condition. Second condition, remove spaces from this string. Third condition, get only the lower and upper cases, or only get lowercase or uppercase only from this string using regular expression. Python regex my file name.py, enter, and notice here we got the final output of our application. This is the original string. From this string, only numbers I have got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. Using regular expressions, I have got this output. And remove spaces from this string using regular expressions. This is the original string. I have removed the spaces. Now I want to get only the lowercase and uppercase letters only. See here, we got the lowercase and uppercase letters. Now notice here, I want to get only lowercase from this string. Here we got the lowercase. Now the final one, it's uppercase. Got only the uppercase from this string. Suppose if I remove 4, 5, 3, 2, now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output again, and notice here we got new output. This is the original. From this original, I got only numbers 1, 2, 3. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have showed using regular expression how to get only numbers or remove spaces from a string, get only the lower and upper cases from a string using regular expression in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.